Go.
Well, hey guys, and welcome to another video. Well,
That's mine.
No.
Yeah. You got it from over there.
Oh, wait a minute.
I don't know. It's over there.
Get it.
Just go.
Well, today we're gonna do a China to Laugh challenge. Well,
We tried already.
we tried like this is our
times.
third time, but we failed at it. So let's give it our last chance. Well, go. Stephanie, you got time?
Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Put your on your hand.
Oh yeah.
See how this is. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So I have my. You know how babies are born? This is butt. No, this is a. And this is a. And they collide and they make. And then all of a sudden, they open up the butt and it comes up.
I'm sorry, I saw like half of it.
I won. She's still holding me. That's her saliva.
That's water.
Okay, go. 1 point down. Go.
Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, guys. So today we're gonna teach you about health. So here's a D. Here's a V. It goes 1, 2, and then it goes slow, then and then I'm here. Are you? Okay. So, what's your teeth?
Time.
Okay. Go now. Next one. Okay, now we're at this.
That was nasty.
It's health, exactly.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. I am Betsy the Challenger, and today we are doing the Try Not to Laugh count.
That's what you get for imitating me.
Okay, so I won. I won.
This is my water. Hey, if you laugh, you're gonna say what's over.
Oh yeah, tell what the loser does.
Okay, so I'm the loser. So I have to go outside and do something embarrassing. What do I have to do?
You need to dance like a chicken for 5 seconds. Outside while people are driving by, or yeah.
Yeah, see you over there.
See you over there, guys.
When that happens. Not the next in this video, but yeah. See you over there. So nobody was in the streets, only those guys thought they didn't want to be on YouTube. That they want to go on YouTube. So we're gonna dance in the. It's go. You're the.
Oh, we're gonna go dance in the street because nobody was outside.
Okay.
Well, right now it's kind of gonna get embarrassing. I'm gonna go in the middle of the street, like all the way over there, and then be like, bah, bah, bah.
Okay. Ya pasa.
Can he honk?
No, he can't honk. Bexy, like honking. No, Bexy, with both arms. one.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's embarrassing.
Okay, say the last one.
Well, thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.